If you want to start your own YouTube channel in 2026, you better hurry to start preparing now because you've got about 2 months before the new year starts. So this is going to be your ultimate guide to starting a YouTube channel in 2026. You know how sometimes you watch YouTubers and think, I could do that too? Yeah, I did, and here I am 3 months later. But here's the thing, starting a YouTube channel isn't just about going viral. It's about learning how this whole thing works, finding your style, and figuring out what keeps people watching. So in this video, I'm sharing everything I wish I knew before I started. So if you're just starting out or you've been posting for a while but not seeing much growth, you're in the right place. Section 1. Getting over your fear. Okay, first things first, let's talk about fear. You know the weird feeling when you record your voice, listen back, and you instantly cringe? Yeah, everyone goes through that. When I started, I was worried that my setup wasn't good enough, my voice sounded weird, and that nobody would care about my videos. But then I realized, every creator you admire started at zero. Mr. Beast's first videos look awful, but that's part of the process. It's supposed to look rough at first, but the secret is they didn't stop. You can't just skip the cringe phase. You just have to go through it. Your first 10 videos are probably gonna suck, but it will get better with time. Section 2. Picking a niche. Before you upload your first video, think, what do you actually want your channel to be about? Don't just pick a niche because it's trendy. Pick something you actually enjoy enough to talk about every week. When it comes to picking your niche, don't stress too much about finding the perfect one. If you don't know what to start with, you can choose a couple of niches you enjoy. For me, it's been mindset, growth, and helping other teens stay creative and consistent. Your niche is the topic, but your personal brand is how you talk about it. That's your personality, your tone, and your mission. Maybe your brand is being the relatable teen figuring life out, or maybe being the funny, chaotic, but honest creator. Anything works. Just make sure it feels like you. Try the 3W test. What do you watch? What do you want to learn? And what are you willing to teach to others? The overlap of those 3 is your perfect niche. If your mission is clear, people will start recognizing your channel's purpose faster. My mission is to encourage teens to make money online and build the right mindset early on. That's what guides my videos. Section 3. The TTTK rule. Something that really helped me understand YouTube is what I call the TTTK rule. Title, thumbnail, time codes, and keywords. Your title should be something people are actually searching for, like this one. How to start a YouTube channel in 2026. It's specific and clear. Your thumbnail is what makes people click. Keep it clean with one main image and some text. You can easily make one in Canva. Time codes make your videos look organized. This is basically what divides the video into small sections like the one you see in other creators. You do need to have advanced features enabled for this one, but that can be either easy or difficult depending on your location. And finally, keywords to help YouTube know who to show your videos to. Basically, YouTube is a search engine, so find out how people search for videos like yours and use those keywords naturally in your title and description. Section 4. Equipment and editing. Now let's talk about the setup. You don't really need expensive gear when you're first starting out. I'm literally using my iPhone right now, and it does the job perfectly. For audio, you can just use the built-in mic in your phone, some earphones, or maybe a decent mic if you want, because audio matters way more than camera quality.
Would you still watch this if I sounded like this?
No, right? And that's why audio matters more than camera quality. For editing, I use InShot, which is super beginner friendly, simple, and gets the job done. So if you're no tech expert, you can start right here. You can always upgrade later, but don't wait to start until you can afford a $1,000 camera. The key isn't having the best tools, it's knowing how to make the most of what you already have. Section 5. Consistency and planning. This one's huge. If you don't have a schedule, you won't survive. I made a video all about consistency, but quick tip, make a long-term schedule. You don't have to post every day, even posting once a week is enough, as long as you stick to it. Before you start, plan at least 2 to 4 videos ahead. Learn from me, because I did it and the first few weeks were so hard. It will save you from the panic of, oh no, what do I post next? After your very first upload. If you want a deeper dive into consistency, check out my video. Section 6. Value, Research, and Growth. One big lesson I learned is it's not always about what you want to say. It's about what your audience needs to hear. Always ask yourself, what's in it for them? Even if you're just entertaining, make sure they feel something. Inspired, curious, or understood. That's what will keep them watching. So before you make a video, literally search it up. See what other creators are doing, then combine all the facts into one high-value video. Then, find a gap in your niche. Maybe that's a question no one is answering, or something that no one your age is talking about. That's how you stand out. And decide early on if you're doing this for fun or are you trying to build a business. Both are fine, but knowing your goal will change how you plan. Section 7. Mistakes to avoid. Don't start with a brand new Google account. YouTube will think you're a bot and it will take longer to get monetized this way. Instead, you could create a new channel with your current account. Second mistake, trying to copy big creators too much. Yes, you can learn from them, but find your own way to tell your own stories. People don't want another Mr. Beast, they want you. Third, quality over quantity. I used to think that uploading a bunch of videos on YouTube would help me blow up. Spoiler alert, it didn't. Because one well thought out video is better than 10 rushed ones. I've seen some YouTubers blow up on YouTube from just posting 4 videos. That's because they studied everything other creators did and produced high quality videos that people actually watch. But you don't have to spend too much time either. You just have to learn about it first. Then once you master the basics, your videos will naturally be great. Section 8. Niches to avoid. Okay, let's be honest. Some niches are basically dead unless you do something unique. Stuff like generic motivation videos, random reaction compilations, and try not to laugh videos are not as popular anymore. And even if you did monetize with these, your income will be very low because these are not high CPM niches. CPM means how much an advertiser pays you per 1,000 views. And these videos don't really have anything of high value to be advertised. That's why you should avoid these niches. Section 9. Meet disappointment. Sometimes you'll post a video thinking it's gonna blow up and it gets like 7 views. You'll feel like it's not working, like no one cares. But that's part of the process. And also something that I'm going through right now. The first 100 subscribers are always the hardest. Everyone starts from zero, literally everyone. So don't just quit because it's slow, use that time to get better. So yeah, that's basically what I learned in my first few months of doing YouTube. And everything I wish I knew before I started. It's not easy, but it's one of the best learning experiences that I've ever had. You'll get better at storytelling, editing, confidence, and all of it. If you're still watching, I made a Discord server for teens like us, so feel free to join if you want. You can drop your channel, get feedback, or just hang with people who actually get it. I'll leave the link down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, tell me where you are in your YouTube journey, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.